Now the next thing we want to be able to do is to simply get the total acquisition related sales and marketing expense. And this is basically acknowledging the reality that when a company spends on sales and marketing, some of that is going to drive repeat business, some of it is going to drive new customer acquisition, and we want to distinguish between those two. This was part of the essence of some of the debate around my Wayfair analysis from back in the day. So again, we have all of these different channels of sales and marketing and otherwise, and what we want to know is how much of this is being geared towards new customer adoption. Now here I've made it very easy to distinguish the one from the other. So for example, with TV ads, what this is saying is that the spending equally impacts customer acquisition in the current and subsequent 3 months, where 80% of that spend is earmarked towards customer acquisition. So it's really that second part that we're primarily interested in. So the same is true here for out of home. And so when I go down over here, I'm going to get the unadjusted acquisition related sales and marketing. Unadjusted just means I'm not accounting for any lead lag relationships that may exist between when I spend on a particular form of sales and marketing and when I actually see the benefits from that spend. So let's just kind of start adding them up. So referral program, 100% earmarked towards new customer acquisition. We had the TV ads, but again they said that 80% was earmarked towards acquisition. Same 80% is earmarked towards acquisition for out of home. New customer promotions, that's all earmarked towards acquisition. Facebook ads for acquisition. We do not want to include Facebook ads for repeat orders. Google ads for acquisition. And we would not want to include Google ads for repeat orders. Prospecting sales team, this is typically entirely for new customer adoption. Now the account manager team, this is purely for existing customers. It's getting them to place more. So we would not want to include that. Now this is acquisition related sales and marketing, so onboarding expenses are not sales and marketing, so that would not be included. So that should be it. So if we just kind of look back over here, we can kind of eyeball it. All of these categories I've highlighted, they're all related to acquisition, and we can see we're properly haircutting, I should say, TV ads and out of home. So I'm just going to take that, copy and paste that over, and voila, we have acquisition related sales and marketing.